No, yeah, do for me a flick in your face.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna.
What's up, guys? Welcome and welcome back to Toga and Kira TV. I mean Kira and Toga TV. I still can't get used to the name there. Anyways, a long time when I post no been a wait anyways. So tomorrow we are going to town. We are going to shop man thing and thing. But me know say me not gonna have no time for do it in but me probably just have one little time for like hide the camera while Roshan gone out of the way gonna wipe off his shoes or something. Me don't know, but I heard before him come in. Me left him in the bathroom. So me I gonna do. I gonna tell him say, me not like him mother. Me not know him mother. Me and him mother never yet talk, we never yet meet. We never meet yet. But I tell him say me not like him mother and me not come down there with him. Then I mother yard, I am alone I go. Go on yard. So stay tuned, big up on yourself, know so know the you want to see we apologize for taking too long to post, but we're back now. I was me don't know about Russian, but me go start drop some banger pranks. Peace out. Continue to support, subscribe, turn on post notification bell, enjoy. You done? Oh, she asked if you.
Take up something. You ready for it?
No, yeah. Hold on. You think them so far?
You know, call. Yeah, like, see, two different bank.
No, no matter, same branch. No,
Then,
let's not figure that. I want to talk to you, boss. Come on. You know, we're right.
yeah.
Well, in gear, both for your forehead.
Oh.
No. But you know, we're right.
You know that saying, babe?
Right. And. No, I asked something to you, but no, your feet are feeling it. See?
Oh.
Your mother.
Oh, don't matter.
Relax now. Me no more. Never hit here and read that for just when you talk off phone or floor. Me not like that. Me not come and agree with you for staying in a house. So I am gonna go.
You know what you're saying? Stop laughing. You know what you're saying?
But you not like your mother, I'm just like your mother.
When I say me not like you, man.
You not like her, just not like her. But your mother no look
You know
genuine
me,
and
mother.
nice.
You know me, mother.
Your mother does look like.
Stop it talking. Stop it talking. Because you're so foolish.
Me ain't doing anything, me have to tell me and tell you. You want me to be any papa?
A foolish that you know me tired.
Well, me not come with you. Me not come with you.
You know how come with me, you know come. Me when we go me and me and I'm afraid to go me and me and
Bang here. You want your mama?
I'm mad at that about me.
No, your mama.
You know what you do for me a flick in your face. I'm serious.
Stop touching me.
I'm mad, you know?
Your mama.
Stop playing.
Why you not touch me, China? Stop please.
Stop hold up.
Stop squeezing up my face.
No way, yeah. Boy, no like my mother. Come like, sit down with it.
Don't hang out with this.
Yo, stop
Give me
playing.
my
Stop
bell.
playing for me.
Give me my bell. Umi! Umi! You not gonna get ready. You not gonna get ready. No. See, my mother just telling me not nice. Your mother doing nice or Sean.
You know, move first. Because you know how fit. Yes.
Go on.
Telling me just always a temper push me in. Talk about my mother, one talk about my mother.
Your mama and your mother, your mama.
Say that again.
Your mama.
Talk about my mother.
You read about your son? Your mama.
You see me now, man.
She box me in my face.
You're lucky you see me in the backyard.
Come back on here, sir.
You know, come back round.
And plus, my mother don't like it either.
Huh?
Then, my mother don't like it.
Me not stay then.
You know how to stay there.
Let me go me yard then
So
for
far.
that.
Tell mother say me just split with me.
You tell your mother like that.
What? You just
Me
box
and
me.
the
You just box me. They got come with John.
Keep on moving and a joke.
You want you see how my yard going, sir? You know where we are? I'm getting money. You want my bed?
Watch your foot now, man.
You know I'm not none of it.
Me have my back, man, daddy.
Move over. Lay off of me on your shampoo.
Watch your foot.
Okay, I'm really listening.
You love ram?
They want it. You have your 5 days, sir.
You put it in.
Over. prank. Works every time. 9 minutes, not bad. Rashan, you box me now? How you make me deserve for me and
Hey, you make me box.
a prank, boy.
How would the shoes always?
Yeah, put your shoes up. You put your bag there. Water there? You want to wash your body?
What's in your way?
You don't go. Eh? You really think you're not like your mother on the line? Eh? You really think so? Your mother don't like you?
Hey, you were saying that.
What if you have to be? Alright guys, so you're gonna see reaction. I never did go mix up a pot when I said my mother don't like. But during the day, I just say I go mix up, you know. So anyways, big up on yourself, team Jenny all the way every day. I know see a long time, I say we post, we apologize for that. We're trying our best. We put in a lot of work. We're trying to just get prank and know he's sad, but you get over it. I'll get over it, man. Big up on yourself. Subscribe, turn on the post notification bell. I'm out.
Say what you wanna say to me